there it is again. Oh, major. Well, maybe, yeah. There's that one there. Yep, another 1250. You gotta keep going too. You ain't done yet. You still got another 10 spins left.
10 spins to go.
He's gonna hit that mega.
I would love to see it.
You ain't the only one. I'd love to see that. Then he get everything. We get everything fixed properly. He just put out a lot of money yesterday. He's got to have a new pump for our well, and he had to pay for it. I couldn't afford to help him pay for it. He needs this bad.
Hey, it looks like it's getting covered.
There it is, Dad. There's that mega. Minor. Got that again. What's the other one? Mini? You ain't done yet. You're going to get that mega.
That'd be nice. I'm going to buy me a truck.
Damn right.
You hit the mega, you better scream.
He hits that mega, he's going to get a brand new truck. Yeah, you got the maxi again. Another 750, I believe. And you still have 8 spins left. You got 2 more to get for the mega. I think you might hit it. I got down to 1. Was that on the green though, Dad? When I got down to 1? Or was it the mega?
I don't remember.
There it is, mega.
Come on, come on. There's a mega.
You're going to get one more, Dad. You're going to get a mega. Watch.
7
I'll probably pass out if we hit it.
I have yet to see anybody pass out yet.
I'll catch you, Dad. There comes the mega. There it is. There's the mega.
Come on, come on. Oh!
Come on, here it comes. There's the mega right there. There's the mega. Oh, come on, Dad. I think I'm more worried about it than you are.
4 more spins to go.
Now 4 more spins.
You'll hit it.
Show me the mega. Oh!
That's minor again with $5. I ain't putting no more. I ain't playing no more. He's already beat it. So. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh no, you're gonna get that one. Here comes Dad's mega.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, 2 spins left, Dad. Come on, you can get it. You can get it.
Last spin.
Come on, give him that mega. Give him that mega.
Let's see it.
Give him the mega. Oh.
No!
Another $5. Well, Dad ended up with 14,000.